What's going on? Dry skin can be a common and uncomfortable condition, but natural remedies can help restore moisture and improve skin health. Now, one effective way to combat dryness is by using oils like coconut oil, which is rich in fatty acids that help lock in moisture and nourish the skin. Simply applying a thin layer of coconut oil after a shower can keep the skin hydrated and soft throughout the day. Another natural remedy is aloe vera. You know, I got it. I got that. Known for its soothing and healing properties, you know, fresh aloe vera gel can be applied directly to dry areas, providing both moisture and relief from irritation. Its anti-inflammatory qualities also promote skin regeneration. Did you know that? Honey, a natural humectant, draws moisture into the skin, making it a great option for dry patches. Applying raw honey, by the way, to the skin for a few minutes before rinsing it off can help retain moisture and leave the skin feeling smoother. Now, for those with sensitive skin, oatmeal baths can be soothing. You know, adding ground oat. This guy with his tires over here. Adding olive oil is another wonderful option. It contains antioxidants and vitamin E, which supports skin hydration and repair. And lastly, staying hydrated. Drinking a lot of water is essential for maintaining skin moisture. You know, I try to drink 4 liters a day. I don't always do it, but I force myself to remember, like little sips throughout the day. You know, it gets rid of headaches too. Let me know if this helped.